Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up the pricing for your community. So you'll first have to go click on settings and then select pricing, and this is where you're going to select your community model. Do you want to keep your community free? That means that anyone can join for free. If you want people to pay you monthly or annual fee to be a part of your community, then you are going to click on subscription. And then you can set up the price here. So let's say I want to have two prices here, monthly and annual. And then my monthly plan will be $10 per month and $100 per year. If you want to only have monthly pricing, then you're going to select monthly only. And if you want to select annual only, which means people are only going to pay once every 12 months, then you are going to select this option. But I recommend that you go for monthly and annual, so people have options. If they don't want to commit for the whole year, they can still join for a month and see from there what they want to do. Okay, then you just click here on set, and here you go. And then if you want to offer a 7-day free trial, just turn this on. Otherwise, you can keep this off. Next, we have the freemium model here. So this means that your community is going to have a few plans. The first plan could be the free plan, and then you can set up a premium plan. And then if you want, you can set up a VIP plan as well. So you can have up to 3 plans, but the first one will always be the free plan. And then you can go ahead and add some benefits. So for example, system course, that's my first benefit here. Advanced or let's say free funnel templates. Okay, and then you can basically list as many benefits that are included for the free model. And now the premium model, you're going to set up the pricing. So the premium, let's say it starts from $27 per month. And then again, I highly recommend that you go for the monthly and annual plan. So 27 and let's say 270. You're going to go ahead and click here. And then once again, you're going to start adding the benefits. So everything on free and plus a few more benefits. 101 coaching, or let's just say group coaching and hot seat. Advanced automation trainings, and you can add more benefits here. And then we have one more plan here, so you can set the price. So this one, let's say it's going to be $47 per month and then $470 per year. And then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to keep adding the benefits that are included on this plan here. Next, the other model that we have here is called tiers. Now, this basically means that all the plans that you have set up here, they're all paid. So the standard one, which is the first plan, is actually a paid one. So let's say this one starts from $7 and then the annual is $70. And then you're going to add the benefits, and then the premium one, let's say it's $17 and then $170. And then the VIP, if you want to have a VIP, you can set the pricing and add the benefits. All right. Now, the other one is a one-time payment. So this means that people only pay once and that's it, right? This is not a recurring income model. It's just, once they buy it and it's done, they have lifetime access to your community. So you can set up the price for it here. All right. And you can see there's no monthly or annual here because it's just, one time. All right, so these are the current models that are available, and you can go ahead and pick the model that you want for your community.